Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super well. I'm greeting you on this beautiful Thursday. It is boiling. I have a face full of makeup and I'm on the verge of collapsing. But anyway, I said I have an exciting video for you guys on Monday, which is the video today. It's exciting for me at least because I get to do another unboxing for you. But I'm pretty sure you've already seen me wear this bag on my Instagram. The day I got it, I opened it. I'm not the person that can wait and hold things. No, I needed to open it, and I knew I'd probably only talk about it on YouTube like in 2020. I got it in 2019, so I already have used it. But when I don't use it, I do put it back in its dust bag with the tissue paper and everything, just to keep it safe. Yeah, just keep it safe and away from harm, essentially. So let's get into this unboxing. My latest addition to my designer handbag collection is from Celine. Oh gosh, it's so big. Can you see that? Is it in focus? This is my first Celine bag. I've been in love with Celine for, I don't even know, the longest time. From the phantom totes to the sunglasses to the jewelry, I've always loved this brand. And then they had a new creative director come on board, and I sort of felt some type of way about it because I felt like when she came on board, logo mania was the trend. Gucci was popping, everyone was wearing Gucci, so all of the designers or most of the brands felt the need to adopt this like logo mania situation with having their logos like, you know, with the LV and the Gucci, whatever, the logo printed everywhere. Celine tried to do it on like a few things, and I didn't feel it. Like, I didn't like it just because I felt like it didn't tie in with what the Celine brand is about. It's very classic, feminine, but like understated, not in your face, and very like mature in a good way. So I sort of, my love dipped a little bit. However, they have not failed to come out with the most gorgeous pieces. They're creeping their way back in. So I'm gonna unbox this bag, which is my summer bag of dreams, guys. Dreams. I have to fan myself. It's so hot. I've decided to switch my fan on just because I'm not coping. I keep having to fan myself in between. Every time I end a sentence, I keep having to fan myself. So I'm gonna raise my voice. I'm gonna project a little bit more because I don't use a microphone. So I'm gonna project my voice a little bit more just so that that isn't in the way of the video. Okay, so this is the bag. Some people have purchased it, I don't know why, as a work bag. They call it a work bag, a travel bag, a summer bag, beach bag. I personally don't know what I'm using it for. All I know is that I wanted it for summer. Like, I really wanted a beautiful canvas bag. Ever since Christian Dior came out with the book tote, and then Saint Laurent came out with a canvas bag, a cream beige canvas bag, and then more of these like beautiful fabric bags started coming out. And of course I would love the Dior book tote. I didn't manage to get my hands on it. It's still available. I haven't traveled since it's come out, I don't think, so I didn't pick it up. But when I saw this, I fell in love. I think I saw this on Mariana Hewitt's Instagram first, and then I saw it on In The Fro Victoria, and I was like, oh. So this was a Christmas gift from my fiance, actually. So shout out to you, boo. Shout out to you. So I had been in Apsley. So Apsley is the store at the V&A at the waterfront in Cape Town, where you can pretty much purchase Saint Laurent, Balenciaga, what are the other brands that they have? Valentino, Christian Louboutin, Dior, and a few niche fragrances as well. So however, because it's a boutique store, so It's a very select product that they stock, obviously, because it's not the fashion. We don't know the fashion houses here. It's just a boutique store that sells, like they buy the stuff, bring it up, and they resell it here. So yeah, so that's how we shop in Cape Town, or I think in Sandton. There's also an Absolutely in Sandton too. That's how we shop for the other brands if you're not traveling or someone isn't bringing anything down for you. So the markup is a little bit high, to be fair. And this is my first time wearing makeup around this bag, just because it gives me the most anxiety. It's my first time holding this bag so close to my face and I have makeup on. Okay, I don't touch this bag when I have makeup on because I'm here to go and get it scotch guarded. That's what I intend to do this weekend, or at least tomorrow, to go and get it scotch guarded, just to protect the canvas fabric. The name of the bag is Celine Cabas Canvas Tote. I think it's called Cabas Canvas Tote. Isn't this the most beautiful bag, you guys? Look at this. So of course it's the cream canvas with Celine Paris written, and then the handles and the luggage tag, or not the luggage tag, what's this called? Key something? Louis Vuitton has a name for it. Well, essentially there is a lock, and then the keys for the lock inside, and then this leather handles. So this is how I store the bag when I'm not using it. It's always in the dust bag, and it is stuffed with the tissue paper it came with. So I'm happy to show you what it looks like inside. I've been looking I've been looking for my Pradas. Oh my god, I thought I lost these. I had a sneaky suspicion they were in this bag. I had a suspicion. Okay, I lost these. I found them. Yeah, it is a classic tote. This is too close to my face. It's a classic tote, and then there is one compartment inside with a zip, and you can keep, oh, there is stuff in here. Oh, okay. Phone case. Okay, I'll show that to you. Lip balm. This is turning into a what's in my bag video. Maybe it is. Wedding venue details. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. So this is the store where I got it from, Absolutely 2. But it says Cabas Textile Horizontal. What is in here? Let me open this one. Okay, it just says made in Italy and the Celine Paris. So the leather is calf skin, 100% calf skin, and then the fabric is 100% cotton. So there you have it, my brand new summer bag. So I can't do model shots because I'm not wearing anything special. But you can go to my Instagram to see how I have worn it. When it comes to what I'll be putting inside it, I think when it comes to totes, it's very important to consider getting a bag organizer, just because I feel like totes can tend to lose shape and structure the more things that you fit inside them. So I remember I got my mother a organizer for her Longchamp, and it seems to fit my bag, but it might be a little bit smaller. So I was either gonna get the same size as her organizer or a size bigger. So I think I'll be getting a size bigger, just because there was quite a few some gaps when I put the organizer in. But I'm happy to do a little what's in my bag segment and pretty much move things over from my Appreciate Matisse into this one. So let's do that. It's behind me. This is the Appreciate Matisse that I'll be moving everything from. So I'm gonna move this makeup mist. I used to use the La Mer I lost it. I don't even know where it is. I've looked in every bag, I've looked in my car, I've looked in everyone's car that I've ever been in, and I can't find it. My La Mer, the mist, which is exceptional, and I love to use it during summertime or throughout the year. So I haven't been able to find it, but I've just substituted it for this Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Miracle Hydrating Mist. It's not doing for me what my La Mer did. I feel like I'm busy with a blog post actually on my 6 luxury beauty products I can't live without, and my La Mer is there, and there I speak about actually how there've only really been 2 facial mists that have actually changed the game for me. Not to be confused with setting sprays, makeup setting sprays, but actual hydrating mists for the skin. And that one, and those are the Mario Badescu Rose Water, and then obviously the La Mer, the mist, where the Mario Badescu comes at a more competitive price point, which makes it number 1 for me for that. But I love how it makes you feel afterwards. The nourishment is amazing, and then of course La Mer does the exact same thing. It's just a bit more luxe and a lot more expensive. So yeah, I'm still trying to find that one. I have my wallet. This is my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, which I need to take better care of. It's seen better days. I originally wanted to get the one with the red lining inside, but this one is just as beautiful. I mean, it's stunning. So that's my wallet. My new handbag fragrance is this one that my fiance got me as well. It's the Hermes Twilly fragrance. This one is ginger. This is the one with the ginger in it. It smells so good. I got it in a 50 ml just to be able to have it in my bag, because I never seem to have handbag fragrances. The ones that I do put in my bag are so heavy. They're all like 100 mils or 80 mils, and that's just too, it just ends up making your bag so heavy. So having something this small is actually very, very ideal for a handbag, an everyday handbag. House keys, labello. I don't have everything in here. There are things missing. Just for the purpose of this video, I'll put my Pradas inside my Vogue case. I'll put my iPad inside there, my cell phone. I'll also pop my vlogging camera inside, and I'll also pop my agenda inside. How cute is this? It's actually brand new. I realized I wanted to get back into writing down my stuff, because there's so much going on this year for me that I really need to be on top of my organization and my planning. I know I have everything on all of my devices, but nothing quite beats putting a pen to a paper. I feel like that's how I remember things and I internalize things. Typing, you just really, it's so quick to just type something and forget about it, but actually writing something down and remembering writing it down is what really works for me. So I picked up this agenda from Typo, which I think is so cute. Look at these Mickey Mouse cover. Says 2020 on it. I thought I might come off as a bit childish. They had more mature options. They had like a tan leather, and this is what I took. I think it's so cute. But anyway, that goes in my bag. So I mean, it's a tote. It can fit a ton, but it just got so heavy. So I just think it's about being careful of just how much you stuff inside, of course, and having an organizer would definitely help sort of navigate around that situation, just to make sure you're not overstuffing the bag and hurting your shoulders at the same time. But I definitely can't wait to wear this on holiday, because we will definitely be traveling this year, me and my fiance. So I really can't wait to take this on holiday. It's gonna be so much fun. I can, you know, I don't know, the outfits, I don't know. It's going off. But anyway guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, short and sweet. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and updates, and to my phone. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for daily inspiration and updates, outfits, where I'm at, what I'm eating, what I'm doing, how to my makeup, what I'm wearing, you know, all of that. And yeah, I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon.